What's up, guys? It's the Forex Prince James here, back here with another video. And today's video is gonna be a good one. Tell you right now, this video is gonna be a good one. But before I get into the video and say anything about the details of it, let me just do a quick disclaimer. All right, anything I show you is for educational purposes only. All right, although some of this stuff can be financial advice, I do not strictly solely say that it is financial advice, nor do I say you can make $1,000,000 for anything that I teach. But if you put in the hours, you'll definitely see the benefits of all the time you spent on this. So with further ado, let's get right into it. All right, today's video is going to be a good video. I'm going to be showing you a simple profit plan, of a simple Forex trading profit plan built from a $50 account. All right, and it's supposed to help you get about 100K within 6 months. All right, just by getting 8% of your account a day with 2 trades a day. All right, you got, see the rules: 2 trades per day, and you got 4 trading days out the week, and we only taking 100 pips with a 30 pip stop loss. All right, also, these trades that we will be taking will not just be random. They will be hand select trades that you will be getting from an alert system. You know, if you don't know what an alert system is, I'll try down in the description to drop a video about the alert systems and how they can be beneficial to you. All right, like I said, these are the rules. It's the only time we trade. We don't worry about it. All right, 2 trades per day, 4 trading days, 100 pip take profit, and a 30 pip stop loss. All right, all from a $50 account. We're gonna try to see if it's possible to hit 100K within 6 months just by grabbing 8% of your account. All right, so let's let you grasp all that. Take a quick brief intermission, screen capture if you have to. All right, now, like I was saying, let's go ahead to the first one. So month one, like, we start with a $50 account. All right, remember, we only take 2 trades a day. So $50 account with a 0.04 lot size at 8% profit. It's $4 per trade, 2 trades. It's $8 per day, $32 per week, and it's $128 per month. All right. Excuse me. Remember, always add. One second. Always add your starting balance to your per month, and you'll get your next month's starting balance. See, month 2, you can see it's now at 0.14 lot size, and it's at 178 profit. All right. So $14 per day per trade, $28 per day, 113 per week, 455 per month. All right, and you can see as you get bigger and bigger, the lot sizes grow. So 0.5. Now that you have a $633 account, I keep the change in the video because without the change, it wouldn't add up to the total. All right, so your month 3 is $633, $50 per trade. It's $100 per day because it's 2 trades. It's $405 a week, $1,600 per month. Right, pay attention to the lot sizes. Notice that they increase. Month 4 is a lot size of 1.8 with a new balance of $22.55. You're gonna be making $180 per day per trade. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Whew, these days get long, I'm telling you. So $360 per day, little over 1,400 per week, little under 6K per month. All right. Month 4, month 5, you at $8,000 with a $642 trade. 2 of them get you a little under 1,300 a day, a little about 5,100 per week, which end up being 20K in your first month. And now, anybody know if this last one here is going to be 100K or not? Comment down below if you think that month 6 is definitely going to be 100K just off of these numbers here. But I'm gonna give it a couple seconds and let you just reflect on that before we even go to month 6. So let's pause it. All right. So while you gladly think about if you're going to month 6 is going to be 100K. Now let's look at some stuff here in the 1 minute chart on the Euro USD. You see that price came around this 500 line. I would have got across on my 2 moving averages, and I would have held it all the way until price touched again on the moving averages. Now you don't believe me, price touched. I'll zoom in. Moving averages crossed, boom. Got across, I would have got here. From here to here wasn't our 30 pips. 30 pip stop loss, and it came down. Boom. So for 500, we got a little under 75 pips. So I probably would have exit trade here and then let it recross and then re-jump back in. It's a little 90 trades, but that's cool. You definitely would do it. All right, and you could see even with the next one. All right, show you. Price cross here at 430. Went all the way up, recross back down. It's 50 pips, just about 54 pips, 55 pips. But price came back up again, and it touched here. So from 430 to 490 is 60 pips. So I'd have been aimed to get more pips. All right. In these cases, you might take more than one trade to get you 100 pips. You might not, but the goal is to try to do it in 2 trades. All right. If you get 80, so be it. Cut your losses, take your profits, walk away. You get 60, so what? Cut your losses, take your profits. Something is better than nothing, getting your account blown. All right, so let's go ahead and see if month 6 is 100K or not. All right, and the strategy works in all strategies, not just the 1 minute I'm testing it. It's just, I'm trying to show you close up on the market. So I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and pause that. All right, and we're here. You could definitely see that month 6 definitely was well over $100, $100,000 with a $28,000 balance in month 6. You could be making about $2,200 per trade. You could be making about $4,500 per day, which is about $1,800 a week, which would end up being $73,000 a month. I'm telling you, from 50 stinking dollars, if you stick to your plan, you can make 100K within 6 months. Replace the 9-to-5 slave job and make you some profits. Now, if you want to get the strategy that I'm using in the video, link will be down below in the description. Also, if you wanted to learn about Forex and you wanted to, get a better understanding of what to do on these markets, my course is down in the bottom for sale, and I'm telling you, it's super duper affordable. So go check that out. Also, remember, you can become a student and be part of the live training classes that I have weekly. Also, I'll be posting tons of more videos. I gotta get a challenge off the ground. All right. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this little profit plan. I will be releasing this link for this profit plan down in the link below. The description below. So make sure you hit that. If you got any gems from this video, make sure you like the video. That I'll tell you, each one teach one. Liking a video helps the next person see it. And if you got gems, let's help the next person do it. Let's all stay blessed. God bless everybody. Many days to come.